Hello everyone. Welcome back to Knowledge Base, your one-stop destination for learning technology and exploring exciting IT career paths. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most in-demand and rewarding careers, data science. If you've ever wondered, how can I become a data scientist by 2026? This video is your step-by-step guide. So, stay tuned till the end, because I'll not only explain the complete roadmap but also share learning resources and practical project ideas to kickstart your journey. Data science is a booming field that combines statistics, computer science, and business knowledge to turn data into insights. By 2026, the demand for skilled data scientists is expected to grow exponentially as every organization, from startups to tech giants, depends on data-driven decisions. But where do you begin? Don't worry, I'll walk you through each phase of your learning journey, from beginner to professional. The first 3 months are all about building your foundation. Start with mathematics and statistics. Focus on linear algebra, probability, and inferential statistics. These topics help you understand how algorithms work internally. Next, learn a programming language, and Python is your best choice. Master its key libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. These are your essential tools for data handling and visualization. Also, don't forget SQL. It's crucial for extracting and cleaning data from databases. Use platforms like Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab to practice coding daily. Once your basics are strong, move to the core skills of data science. Learn data visualization using tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Plotly. Your goal is to make complex data easy to understand. Next comes exploratory data analysis, or EDA. This step helps you identify patterns, outliers, and relationships in data. Then, dive into machine learning fundamentals. Start with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, k-nearest neighbors, and support vector machines. Use scikit-learn or XGBoost libraries for implementation. By the end of this stage, you'll be able to analyze data, train models, and draw meaningful insights. Now it's time to go deeper into artificial intelligence and deep learning. Learn frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and understand how neural networks work. Explore advanced concepts such as CNNs for image processing, RNNs for sequential data, and transformers for text-based applications. Next, focus on model evaluation. Understand metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Learn techniques such as cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning to improve your models. Finally, choose a specialization that excites you, maybe natural language processing, computer vision, or reinforcement learning. This helps you stand out in your portfolio. To be a successful data scientist, you must also know the right tools and technologies. Use Git and GitHub for version control and collaboration. Understand big data tools like Hadoop and Spark. Learn to deploy and manage your models on cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. And for containerization, get hands-on with Docker. It's used in almost every production environment. Theory alone won't help. You must build real-world projects. Start small and grow your portfolio with projects like predictive modeling, for example, predicting housing prices, sentiment analysis on social media data, or even image classification tasks using deep learning. Use GitHub to showcase your work and Kaggle for competitions. Both are great for visibility and learning from the community. Now, let's focus on your career growth. Build a professional resume that highlights your projects, internships, and certifications. Network actively on LinkedIn, attend data science meetups, and participate in hackathons or webinars. You can also earn certifications. For instance, IIT Delhi's Applied Data Science and AI Certificate program is a great option to strengthen your profile. Here's a simple 1-year roadmap to structure your journey. Months 1 to 3. Focus on math, statistics, and Python basics. Months 4 to 6. Learn SQL, data visualization, and EDA. Months 7 to 9. Dive into machine learning algorithms and practice model building. Months 10 to 12. Learn deep learning concepts, build specialized projects, and refine your portfolio. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to stay on track. Be consistent. Dedicate a few hours daily to learning and practicing. Engage with communities. Join forums like Stack Overflow or Kaggle discussions. Keep learning continuously. Data science is evolving fast, so stay updated with the latest tools and trends. Remember, persistence and curiosity are your best companions on this journey. By 2026, with steady progress and the right skills, you can absolutely become a successful data scientist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Base for more tech learning content. Also, tell me in the comments, which part of data science interests you the most? Machine learning, deep learning, or data visualization? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel to increase your knowledge with the Knowledge Base. Thank you.